So I'm going to show you another puzzle box, and this is going to be the ultimate box, which is 4 puzzle boxes. Since it's very compact, this is a little piece of what you'll get from it. What my one is. Well, first let's try to see it. So the first step you do, somehow if you can try to do it or not, get this piece off the top. You're going to need it to get the second puzzle box. The second puzzle box is pretty simple. Put it right here. Press down hard. Make sure it connects. Then pull up the second puzzle box. Oops. Sorry. I guess I'm going to try to take a... So, I might make a tutorial for this. I'm not sure. Leave your comments below if I should make a tutorial for this or not. It's probably break your man. Let's forget to put it in the description. So, okay, I took it off. You can do that if you want, but you don't have to. And here is box number 2. Now, to open it, you will need box number 1. Right here, you can pull this piece out. This piece. You're not going to need it. You're already going to need this piece. But you'll get this. Now, this is how you open this puzzle box to get the third puzzle box. You see these 2 pieces right here? Pull those out of the puzzle box. Now the puzzle box is unlocked. So just push it through here, and then you can just grab this out. Put the 3x3 space on top, plus lots of other things. This is the locking mechanism. This piece sat right inside it, but you might not know that if you build it or something. Now this piece, take out. And inside, oops, it's supposed to be a pull of some kind. I only have this kind of pull, but I recognize that the leverage you can find in some kits, you take that out, you put that in, now you can just do whatever you want. This one's a little bit trickier because it might slide in and make this box tougher to pop down. But if you put that box down first, this is not a problem. Now to get the 4th box is an easy, simple stuff. This is what happens. You see that hole? You take this and stick it in. Then you push. And see this? Now this is your 4th puzzle box. It's pretty simple. You slide this piece and see your piece, just like the pieces in your world. Are twins. Thank you guys for watching. I might leave a tutorial. It depends on the comments. And leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye!